Hey guys, so we have some major bullish news. Now, first of all, if you're looking at Bitcoin, you can see Bitcoin is basically, it went down from 87 to right now around 84, 84.2. So it is slightly going up. And what I'm looking at personally, I'm looking at Dogin.me because it will soon be listed on Coinbase. And right now we have a retracement from basically in market cap from 114 to right now $82 million in market, but I think this will go up because many people will still be waiting for that Coinbase listing, as well as BaseGod. This is going up because Dogin.me is going up, and when the Dogin.me gets listed, BaseGod will be pumping as well. But what I want to talk about, the main things is, first of all, MicroStrategy, the Michael Saylor. Here you can see increases Strife offering from 500 million to 722 million to buy more Bitcoin. So this is insane. And it is interesting to see that while many people are selling and panicking, and basically going away from Bitcoin and crypto, Michael Saylor is buying. And this is not the only news because Saylor is buying almost every week, every month. Here you can see BlackRock spot ETF bought 1,980 Bitcoin worth 172 million worth of Bitcoin on March 20, so basically yesterday. So again, BlackRock spot ETF is going up. People are buying again while everyone is panicking. Smart money is basically buying because if you think about it, with everything that's happening, Trump being bullish on Bitcoin, the new basically that all the lawsuits from the SEC are being dismissed left and right, and that is really bullish because now the crypto companies and the CEOs are basically can start building without stress, without knowing that they can be debanked or just basically sued for no reason. And that's what's happening behind the scenes. Everyone is bullish. Coinbase will be hiring 1,000 or 10,000 employees. What else? Here you can see Ethereum supply on exchanges has dropped to 8.97 million, the lowest level since November 2015, which is insane. I think this means that price could go up because there are not so much on exchanges and people are buying and sending to their wallets. Which is crazy. Right now, next news is that Senator Loomis reveals a US Bitcoin plan to acquire 200,000 Bitcoin per year without using taxpayer money. And this is what I agree with. Here you can see we will see a strategic Bitcoin reserve at state level before the federal government, which means that states like Texas or there are a few states that are already really close to making a strategic Bitcoin reserve, and I agree. I think states will start buying Bitcoin before the Trump announces a federal government buying Bitcoin strategic reserve. In any way, this is really bullish, and when the first state basically confirms the Bitcoin will go up, that's why again Bitcoin at 84,000, in my opinion, is laughable because with everything that is going behind the scenes, I think we should be at around 95, 100,000 per Bitcoin. Now, next news, which is huge. The SEC to host the first ever crypto roundtable today at 1 p.m. Eastern, I don't know, EST time. The event will bring together industry leaders and experts to explore challenges and opportunities in the space. So, as we all know, Trump administration is really bullish on crypto, on Bitcoin. The SEC, I think this is the head of SEC. I don't know her name, but overall, everyone is bullish on Bitcoin and crypto. We are still 2 months in this new Trump administration. That's why I understand that many people are still waiting and cannot wait for Bitcoin price to pump. But again, yesterday, Federal Reserve cut quantitative tightening by 80%, which will start on April 1st, which is insane because it is really bearish for Bitcoin, and quantitative easing is really bullish for Bitcoin, and they will stop the bearish thing for 80%. And of course, Trump wants for Federal Reserve to cut rates, which will again boost the basically risk assets like Bitcoin and gold. And yeah, I think that's what Trump is trying to do with the tariffs. That's why the tariffs on the 2nd April will go in full force. And yeah, he's doing deals behind the scenes. That's why we will see what happens. But overall, I would not be so stressed over the tariffs, because I think tariffs are a good thing in the long term. People, of course, are panicking and Bitcoin price is going down. But yeah, if you are looking at gold price, let's look at gold price. Gold price. So here is the historic chart. Here you can see gold price is at its all-time high, which is insane. Here you can see $3,034 per ounce. And here you can see the last 5 years, which is crazy. Yeah, which is really crazy. There wasn't such a big bumps even when a pandemic hit. Here you can see only in the last 2 to 3 years it is starting to go up insanely high. I think with silver, let's look at the last 15 years. So silver actually had a all-time high like in 2010, which is crazy, around $50. I think silver should be around all-time high as well. But it will most likely catch up sooner or later. But yeah, so many bullish news on Bitcoin and crypto. And I am waiting for the Dog in Me meme coin listing. And yeah, that's basically it. If you want to follow the latest alpha, I am basically posting every day on my Patreon all the alpha as soon as I see it. I have some members basically following me. Only $10 a month, but there are so many opportunities, so big opportunities that $10 is nothing. And yeah, again, nothing in this video is a financial advice. And if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.